Discover Western Kinh Đô Tourism, Hao Giang of Vietnam. Welcome to the 10-minute travel video showcasing two extraordinary destinations in the southwestern region of Vietnam, Kinh Đô and Hao Giang. Join us as we explore the majestic natural beauty, unique culture, and simple way of life in these two areas. The video will take you on a journey to visit the famous attractions of Kinh Đô and Hao Giang, introducing exciting activities and indulging in the flavorful local cuisine of the Mekong Delta. You'll also hear heartwarming stories from the local residents, sharing their perspectives on life and the distinctive culture. Let's embark on this adventure together to relish unforgettable experiences and discover the marvelous charm of Kinh Đô and Hao Giang. Exploring Kinh Đô, the gateway to the Mekong Delta. Experience the bustling Cai Rang floating market, one of Vietnam's most renowned floating markets. Tour Cai Rang Park and admire the impressive bridges over the Hao River. Immerse in the laid-back lifestyle of the locals in the floating village. Cultural destination of Hao Giang Cam Luang. Visit County Kong Park and learn about the area's unique history. Enjoy a boat ride on the Hao River and marvel at the captivating natural landscapes. Discover the unique cultural heritage of the Khan villages in the Mekong Delta. The natural beauty of the Mekong Delta Dong Thap Moi. Visit the Dong Thap Moi fruit garden and savor a variety of fresh and delicious fruits. Stroll through lush rice fields and immerse yourself in the greenery of the region. Explore the diverse flora and fauna at Tram Chim National Park. Delighting in Mekong Delta cuisine. Indulge in local specialties such as Bon Exio, Cam Tam, and flavorful Mekong Delta dishes. Experience dining at riverside eateries and enjoy the laid-back ambiance. Our journey to explore Kinh Đô and Hao Giang, two exceptional destinations in the southwestern region of Vietnam, has come to an end. From the majestic beauty of the Hao River to the unique culture of the floating villages and the delightful flavors of Mekong Delta cuisine, we have cherished unforgettable moments. Carry these memories in your heart and share them with your friends and family to spread the love and the splendid beauty of the Mekong Delta in Vietnam. Until we meet again on our next adventure to discover the wonders of our homeland. At the end of the journey to discover the southwest region of Vietnam, do you see the charming scenery of the West River? If you have any questions, please leave a comment to help me. Hope to get your support by clicking the subscribe, like and share button. Thank you, goodbye and see you again.